You are going to love the 2020 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.